Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneurial training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be treating how to prepare mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is popularly known as bama. What will be in need for 200 grams of mayonnaise are 2 fresh eggs, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon, 1 cup of groundnut oil, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then you might add onion if you want to. Then you can also use vinegar and lime, or you can use either of the two. These are the eggs. Then this is my salt. I'm using table salt, but you can use sea salt. Then sugar, apple cider vinegar, then vegetable oil. You can also use groundnut oil or vegetable oil. So these are my eggs. I'm trying to mix it. I am doing this because I want you to see it. You can pour everything in no order into your blender or into a bowl to use a mixer. But I'm using my spoon just to show you something. So that is my egg. Then after egg, I'll be putting in sugar. There is no arrangement for this. So I'm to add a teaspoon, so that is why I'm putting half of the spoon of sugar. Then the salt is a little bit much. Then I'll be putting in vinegar. I don't have lemon juice and I don't want this tutorial to wait, so I'll be mixing again. And as you can see, it is just mixing, nothing is happening, no reaction. So I'll be adding vegetable oil. After adding vegetable oil, then I'll be mixing. So as I am mixing, nothing is happening. So since nothing is happening, it simply means mixing with a spoon or with just a kind of stirrer might not work. We need a very fast mixer. So I'll be pouring this into my blender. I would have poured it into the blender from the beginning, but I just want you to see it. That is why I'm doing this. So no matter how much I mix, it is not doing anything. So let me pour it into my blender and blend. So I've done that, and as you can see, it is milky now and the white is already showing, but the only thing is it is a little bit too watery. So I'll be adding vegetable oil, blending, in order to mix in a very fast speed till I am satisfied with the thickness. The more I roll this with the vegetable oil, the thicker it becomes. So it is rolling right now. And if I bring this out, you'll see that it is thicker than. So if I take this out, you'll notice that it is thicker than the other one. As you can see, this is more thicker than the first production. So it depends on you. The screen is a little bit too white. We are not really seeing it, but it depends on you. But I'm pouring more vegetable oil into it right now, and I'm gonna roll it again on the blender so that it goes more thicker than this. So I'm placing it on the blender right now, and like you see, yes, I'm putting the blender on and it has started rolling. It's working right now. So after this, if I should open it, you'll see how wonderful it is. It would have been thicker than the previous one. So this is it. It's thicker than the first one, but if I still want to roll it, if I still want it to be thicker, I put more vegetable oil. The more vegetable oil I put in and the more I roll it, the thicker it becomes. And note, as you can see, you see the spoon I'm putting in, and you can see it's thicker than before. So note, you can use groundnut oil, is more recommendable, but because I don't have groundnut oil and I just want to use this as an example, I don't want this tutorial to wait, so that is why I'm making use of vegetable oil. So I'm pouring more vegetable oil into this again, and I'm going to roll again for you to see that the next production would even be thicker than this. So I'm trying to roll it right now. That means I'm trying to blend more just to mix it. So it is rolling, it is mixing. So if I turn this off, like I'm turning it off right now, taking it away from the blender, Then opening it, you'll notice that it is thicker than the previous one. See, it is even more thicker than the first one. So I can keep doing this gradually, little by little, till I get the thickness I want, or till you get the thickness you want. But I think I'm cool with this production right now. So you can see it inside my container. You can put it in any transparent jar. You can purchase jars from the market. They sell them. They sell the bottle. So you just put it in there, and you keep, and you package for sales. So that's all about mayonnaise, and that's the simple way of preparing the mayonnaise that we buy in the market. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of our training materials. Till we meet again, my name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Note, you can also drop your questions, like, comment, and let's know how we can help more or improve in this our tutorial. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.